Greetings all. Today we're going to make a Polish traditional classic called golombki. It's cabbage wrapped with meat in a tomato sauce. Let's get to it. I will be using purple and white cabbage, minced beef, tomato paste, collection of spices and herbs, and chicken stock. Now you're just going to core the cabbage, digging down, doing it in maybe a pentagon shape. Just cut down as deep as you can, and it should pop right out. Voila. Purple cabbage is actually healthier for you, has a higher nutritional content than the white cabbage. So now we have a rolling boil, and you just want to dump in the cabbage directly. You're going to boil these for about 10 minutes. Alright, it's been about 11-12 minutes. We're going to pull these out and start pulling apart the leaves. So now you just peel the leaves off of the cabbage. Try to be gentle. The little trick to help it be more malleable, just cut the back part of this vein. It'll help you to fold it better. Same goes for the purple cabbage. Look at this. Just beautiful. For the meat filling, you can use pork or beef or both. Mix in the fresh herbs and spices with an egg. If the piece of cabbage is curled a little bit, just slice off the thick end, like so. If a leaf is not big enough, you can join two separate ones to create one roll. You're going to fold it over, tuck it in, tuck in the sides, like so, and then just roll it up. And if the leaf does not want to stay in place, you can abuse it with a toothpick. Some tomato paste. I'm going to show you a quick little hack. You open up the back side of the paste jar first. Hold it in place with your finger. And then open the top part. And then just push it on through. And to the tomato paste, we're going to add some homemade chicken stock that I'd made a few days before. 3/4 of a cup. I would not use water because water is too weak. At this point, you want to pour the tomato paste and stock mixture over the rolls and use whatever leaves were left over to cover the whole ensemble. So you're going to throw this into a 350 Fahrenheit oven or 175 Celsius, covered with foil for about an hour and a half. And just a pro tip when you're deciding which side of the foil to wrap downward, make sure it's the shiny portion, because that's the one that'll reflect the heat into the dish. Alright, it's been baking for about an hour and a half. I turned off the heat and let it stew for another 30 minutes. There it is. Beautiful. Moment of truth. Is it good?
That's so good. That is so good, Andy.
Alright, moment of truth for Daddy. First time I'm going to be trying this. Let me see. Oh God. That's incredible. And you're going to pour some of the juices directly onto the rice. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a second. Hola, amiga. ¿Cómo está? Sorry about that. I hope you all enjoyed that video, and I also hope that my Slavic and Polish friends were not too offended. Tonight, I'm going to finish with a Tito's handmade vodka from Texas, probably the best vodka in the world, no offense, and an H. Upmann vintage Cameroon cigar. Keep cooking until next time.